Alright, we've got last surprise for you guys.
Oh.
Fire, baby!
Warning. Do not attempt any of the things you see on this channel. Arrowheads are trained professionals in the art of round.
Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to another video on the Arrowhead. Today, we got something special in store for you. It's going to be explosive. Come on. But before we do that, we got a challenge, as we normally do.
What's the challenge?
Go find out what that challenge is. Alright, guys, so that challenge is we're going to play Mortal Kombat.
That's right, baby!
Right, let's go.
Let's go!
Each Arrowhead is going to get to play the other Arrowhead at least once. Now, if there's a tie-off, then they'll play off to see who comes first. The other two Arrowheads that don't come first are going to do a forfeit.
Someone say forfeits?
Damn right.
What kind of forfeits we doing?
Don't worry about that, mate. Keep watching and you'll see soon.
Yes, sir.
Crazy.
You know what? These guys are gonna get smashed. No one's gonna get
smashed. So, being the gentleman that I am, I'm going to let these two shit guys rock it out.
Yes, sir.
I'll show them what I want. Let's get it.
Come. So guys, the
Round
character
one.
you pick, you stay with them for the whole game. I'm player one, I'm going with Sonya Blade.
Sonya, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, these guys have been trash talking all night yesterday, all day today as well. Let's show them how it's done. You know, you can talk the talk, bro. Let's see if you can walk the walk.
Guys, watch how he plays, innit? Since like 5 months ago, I guarantee he'll probably do the same thing again.
I haven't played in a long while, bro.
None of us have.
It's been ages for me to play. I'm still with you.
Uppercuts,
I'll put you in any game, bro.
If I'm right, yeah, we'll still do uppercuts like you used to do. Uppercuts, slides.
Can't lie though, the aim's to win.
It is.
Down with our fight, yeah? Oh.
First round's mine, babe. Let's go.
Round 2, fight.
The graphics in this game is too sick.
Bro, man, change your playstyle, please.
Shut up, bro. Don't take my place off.
Uppercutting guy, bro.
You're gonna get banged.
Look at that.
You're
3
getting
uppercuts this round.
You're getting what, bro?
Whoa, man, this guy spams it, man.
Woo.
Bro.
Me, I'm a counter guy, bro. Counter reaction. Do you attack me, I'm gonna counter what you do, bro. Come then. Time's gonna go, my friend. Ooh. Look at that. Damn. Nice one, bro. It's done for you. Woo! I've got straight to his head, bro. He's dumb. Hey, you wanna see a fatality?
Fatality. Uppercut, fully done, boys.
Go out, bro.
We got popped, bro.
Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna go with Sub-Zero again, yeah? So you can't change your characters, isn't it?
Sub-Zero. You know what, even at 2 dead, I'm gonna pick some random unknown character.
I know, man. Sure you wanna do that to yourself?
Collector.
Collector, yeah? So losers, man. I'm trying to say. Hey, GG,
fair
bro.
and square.
Oh, shit, what was that?
Bro, stop uppercutting.
Bro, it's not your game, bro. Move yourself. Boom!
So shit,
I
innit?
got to his jaw. He ain't see no more.
skills.
He's dead on the floor.
That's boring though, still.
How's that boring?
Fucking play.
It's true, bro.
You can do that as well, though. One game.
It takes no skill. What's the point of that?
So you
It's
can
not
do it as well, then.
fun. It's not fun.
Oh, look at that. That was a good uppercut.
Come on. Let's go. Collect some organs. You know what I mean?
That's dirty, fam.
Let's go, bro.
I'm talking about. See, I like competition, bro. You was nothing.
Good guys. Oh, block that, man. That's not fair, man.
Careful, they're just uppercut you now. Watch out.
Oh, what?
Oh.
Yes! Get in there! Get in there!
GG, bro. GG, bro.
Second one. Shit, man.
Woo! My palms are sweaty. Oh no, are you guys gonna play for second and third?
Second place, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
Winner!
Yeah!
Alright, so Red Arrowhead won. Takes the victor. Me and Pally are gonna play for rematch.
Yeah. No, same chances.
No forfeit
We're
for
gonna
me,
play
guys.
for second and third.
Woo.
Yeah. So the winner out of this game is second, basically. Yeah. Yeah. I'll go £100 on that as well.
Let's go. I'm saying, bare bump that shit from someone. Who was? Woo! Sonny's on fire. Jeez, collect the back with that thing. What he done? What? This is a close fight, you know. Hey, Sonny's on smoke. What? He's not having it. He's not having it. Look, come back. He's gonna do something.
There we go.
What an uppercut!
Nasty tickles.
Straight blow. Oh, I missed it.
No!
That was too close.
No!
That was too close, man.
His palms are sweaty. Shit, man.
Round 2, fight.
Round 2. Come on, character. You got this.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I'm really an underdog. You got this.
How about an underdog, bro?
You got the worst character, bro.
What?
The character's better.
How do you know that? There's not that in this game. Every character's good for everyone.
Oh, bro, relax. Take it easy, huh?
He's trying to hold on to his life. He's on a thin thread. Very thin thread. What's that body over there?
GG, bro.
Good game, man. Good game.
See, when someone doesn't do this all the time.
Hey, you're so loser, man. You're so loser.
Guys.
Winner over here. Let's go do the forfeits, guys. Sore losers.
Alright, guys. We've got Pally over there. He's setting up. We're gonna get his punishment ready. What are you saying, H?
So forfeit number 1 is gonna be a pie face. He's not gonna see it coming.
Is Let me detour him. Go on, you ready, yeah? Alright, bro. You setting up, yeah?
Yeah.
Calm, man. Try and, I don't know, is that calm? That's calm, it should be alright. Yeah, that's calm.
Gee, you're a man, you know. Done it for you already.
Yeah.
He's my guy.
Wait, one more thing.
Where's the cans, though?
Oh, I think I'm not, bro.
Where are they? Inside?
Yeah.
Pie face.
Oh!
Yeah, baby!
Look at that! That is jokes! And
That's cool. A real pie face.
Hey,
That's how you
bro.
want a plant. You're gonna grow nice and big. Stop. You got some in your bed. You got some in your bed, bro. In your ears.
You still got some in your ears, bro.
Yeah, you got bears in your ears, bro. And your bed as well. Come back.
It is what it is.
Come back.
Nah, Apex is funny, fam. You know what man did to me, yeah? You all saw that, innit? Violate. Now I think of like some next stuff as well. Watch. Now he's gonna get violated by this thing right here. This is rubber. Rubber tip. Don't let him know you, man.
Ooh, that's
You
gonna
ready, bro?
hurt.
Don't let him know, fam. Don't let him know. I'm smoking right now.
Go on, go smoke this guy, bro. Hey, we saying, bro? We saying, bro? He ain't trying shit now, is he? No. Ooh! Reload it! Let's go, fam.
You better smoke weed.
We still got one more shot, you know. Yeah, give me that, bro. So one of the forfeits were to get shot by an arrow. Right. You ready, bro? I've still got to take my shots.
Go on, man. Where you shooting him? In belly or chest?
Whatever he wants, man. You pick, bro.
Redemption has been served. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with purple, man. So you won. Now, we're about to smoke air real quick before you move on to the deodorant cans, innit? In the belly.
Your belly, yeah? Are you sure, fam?
Yeah, man.
God, say no more. Now I want to move your arms from there, though. Yeah, just cover your balls on that. Don't worry, I won't miss it away.
Bruh. Oh! Man said!
You hear that slap? Fucking hell.
Hey, bro.
You sold you that.
You're getting tortured today, bro.
Sold you that.
Never mess with the purple, bro. Never mess with the purple.
Alright, guys, so what we're shooting today is some deodorant cans.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Come on. Now it says don't pierce and it's highly flammable. But arrowheads don't listen to the rules.
We disregard that shit. Disregard that shit.
care.
Oh man.
Guys, look at these babies. These are the new arrow tips. These are called the lethal damages. As you can see, these will definitely do some damage on these. Kind of like a drill bit.
Alright man, let's see what they do. The deodorant cans.
Perfect. Boys and girls, are you ready to see some mass destruction? That's in the Oh yeah. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. You know? And if you want to see something else get destroyed, then put it below in the comments.
Let's go.
Woo! Damn, boy!
Bro,
that
was mad, fam. See that? That was sick, fam. Look what happened to the arrow tip on the way in, though. That's like a bullet hole, man.
That was hard.
Sick. I was so sick. Now we're gonna try and shoot it flat on in the middle right there. See if it makes any difference. Let's go. You changing your tip, yeah?
Yep.
What are you going for this time?
Going for the training tip. The nice old training tip. You know, this one's deadly as well. Don't never underestimate the training tip. Guys, if you like what you saw earlier on, pause the video. Go hit the subscribe button. And then come back and rest watch. Rest watch?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Watch the rest.
Watch the rest. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, wee!
Yo, bro.
That was fucking dangerous, bro.
Yo.
Yes! One goal, one shot.
That was mad.
That was mad.
Yo, look. Guys, that was a mad one. So you're about to see something mad. We're gonna have 5 of those back to back. I'm gonna excited to see what the reactions are going to be to guys. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment down below the things that you want us to shoot, and we'll shoot them hopefully in the near future. Until then, enjoy the rest of the video, and
Yeah. One, two, three.
Okay, let's go.
We say, what am I using? Traditional tip?
Whatever tip you want, bro.
I'll see you training tip. Go, training tip. Alright, so we're gonna add some life to these bows.
Might as well, innit? You know what I mean? That came all the way here, you know.
Oh, I missed two though, man. Come to the impact, I went out. One for 1, 2, 3. Would have easily went through 4 and 5.
Yeah, I think so, you know. Alright, we've got last surprise for you guys. Fire, baby!
Woohoo! Whoop. Damn, bro.
I'm eager to see what happens in the slow-mo, you know.
You know that I did not like the fire.
No, I didn't.
It flew against it.
Yeah, turned it off. Alright, interesting.
I was gonna die then, bro.
Went straight through the pair of them.
Yeah?
If you guys enjoyed watching that video half as much as we enjoyed making it,
Hit that subscribe button, guys. Do it now. And peace.